Well, what's going on, everybody? Mike here, doing another teardown for you. Today, we got something special. We got the Cat S62 Pro. Done the teardown on the Cat S62, but not on the Pro for video. It's a really cool phone. It's got the FLIR camera right here, which gives you that infrared image. This one has seen better days. As you guys can see, this one's pretty bad. The whole screen's gone on it, but we are here for the parts on this bad boy. I'm gonna pull the charging port. We know the charging port works. We know the buttons work. So, and I need this camera. So that is what we're gonna do with this one. So, just a reminder, to show you guys how to tear this down. If you're doing this on your own phone, just make sure you have all your stuff deleted, because sometimes, especially with phones like this, you could do more damage than good. And if you're not comfortable with your skill set or your knowledge with tearing down phones, you know, sometimes it's better to ask a professional to do it for you. But otherwise, you know, let's get into this bad boy. Oh, lastly, if you guys haven't yet, subscribe. We got a ton more of these coming up. So if you guys want to see something special, just let us know, and we'll try to post it up sooner than later. But first thing we got to do is grab our handy dandy heat gun and heat this back up a little bit. All right. You did a little too much on that, but it's all right. A little too much heat's probably better than less heat sometimes, is what I like to think to myself. So you just don't want to do too much, otherwise it starts making this plastic a little bit like sticky, and we don't want that. So we grab a pry tool, and what we want to do is we want to get underneath here, and sorry guys, get underneath here and pry up a little bit. Without doing what I just did right there. That just takes the back cover off. You want to just get really underneath. And I personally don't care about this back cover, so I can go a little bit more rough with it. And you want to be gentle when you slide. It's rather just better just to pull, to be honest with you, once you get it going a little bit. You do have the fingerprint scanner right there, and that is connected to this back cover. So if you do rip a little too hard, it will get damaged. So keep that in mind. I don't think I used enough heat on this. And if you feel like you didn't, just go back and add a little bit more. It actually makes it a little bit easier once you have it open a little bit, because you can pull up as you're doing the heat. So I'll show you guys what I mean. You can see the spot where I already gave too much heat, because it's already turning that like melty plastic color, but it comes off a little bit easier. I don't want to rip that. I want to save that fingerprint scanner, so I'm trying to go a little bit lighter than I would normally pull this up out of. You can see where the fingerprint scanner is connected right there. So I don't want to pull too much the other way. Let's flip this around and see if we can get this portion off this way over here. All right, so we got that off. And we can unplug the fingerprint scanner. Maybe. There we go. So that's unplugged, and what you can do is just pry from the back a little bit, and it should come off relatively easy. Go around the corners. Still a little sticky, but don't need that. Don't need that. All right, so we got the fingerprint scanner. Ribbon looks good. Set that to the side. Done with this back cover, we don't need it. Set that to the side. Just a reminder too, one thing I forgot to mention is you should get the SIM tray out. In this case, I already did, but just pop your portion out, pull your SIM tray. That way it's out, and then you won't have to worry about it later or think about it. So now we got all these wonderful screws. Let's get those out first and move from there. Alright, we'll get that out when we pull this off. We'll get the last screw out. So it looks like I got all the screws. I have a tendency to miss one or two, so if I did, I apologize in advance. But it looks like I got all of them. So let's do this top portion first, because it overlays on this bottom portion as well. So let's pull this mid frame up. And it looks like it's trying to take the camera with us, so we want to be careful about that. There's the connector for the camera. It's under here. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Sorry. Maybe able to see it. We want to just pry this up a little bit. Got a little bit of tape to it. There we go. That's the FLIR camera out. And I think it's supposed to come out this way. I think the whole piece just attaches this way. I'm not too familiar with FLIR cameras and how they operate, but they might be just a one unit type of piece like this where it just attaches this way. You guys decide. I'll do some research on that. Then you have your actual main rear camera. Unhook that real quick. Get that out of the way. And then start taking off all these connectors. These things are stuck on here. Alright, so the battery's already ready to come out too. There's your battery. And this is the aftermarket battery. So someone must have worked on this phone before me. So I'll have to test that camera though. I'm not sure if that's supposed to do that way. If you guys know, drop a comment, let me know. Because I'm not sure. Let's get that loudspeaker out. Alright, so loudspeaker's out. It's right here. We got the board. There's usually screws down here for the charging port. Let's move this back out so you guys can see better. So we got this PCB and then the charging port's under here. So we got a screw there, a couple screws there. Don't see any screws in the motherboard, so I think that's going to be fine to take out. But let's take a look and see what else we got going on over here. Alright, get those screws out. Sorry about that. Take off this connector over here. And then we'll take out these coaxes that are up here. Do the white one first. Maybe. There we go. White coax. Black coax. Always check the coax because sometimes they, depending on the model of the phone, they wrap it underneath something and then you pull up and you end up ripping that part that you're trying to actually go around. So this looks like it's under here. And let's get to that, but let's pull this PCB out. It's relatively loose in there already as it is. It should come right out pretty easily. There we go. So this has your mic on it and your connector. So if you have a bad microphone, this is the part that you got to replace. Set that to the side as well. Ooh, the charging port. So it looks like there's no more screws in there, so that's good. So we can gently, it looks like this whole ribbon goes over here as well too. So it's probably gonna be better if we pry this action button out first. That way it's not gonna get ripped when we're pulling the actual ribbon out. So let's grab a screwdriver and just kind of gently push up. Get over this little piece right here and pull this back. That way we're kind of even there, we're not ripping anything as we're pulling down. So pull this down now. And there's your charging port right there. And I know this charging port's good because I already tested that. Get your flex attached. So they're attaching all these parts next to each other and then they become one giant part. All right, so we got that out. So we got what, the vibration motor, motherboard, front camera, a couple other things. All right, so let's get this vibration motor out. Should be relatively easy to come out. Comes right off like that. Flip it around. And there's your vibration motor. And I didn't see any screws for the board. Find out once we start pulling. Start lifting up a little bit. You can see how much pressure it's giving me. It makes me feel like there's something holding it up, but I don't see anything holding it up. I do see it. Right there it is. There's a screw right there. Wrong screwdriver. That's what I mean, just don't force it, otherwise you'll end up doing more damage than good. So it looks like it's stuck in a couple pieces over here, so pry that up. And what else are we stuck on? Over here, we look pretty good. There it goes. Comes right out. So there's the board. We got the front camera right there. We'll pull that off real quick. And that's just a little holder in place. It's nothing special, so I don't really need that. All right, nothing more on this. So we're done with this. Move that to the side. So then we have our power volume button flex, and we got the ear speaker, and it looks like, I think that's about it. That PC there. Okay. So let's get this portion out too. I'm just going to add just a teeny bit of heat to it. I like heat, makes it easier. See what I mean? Just slides right out. There's your power volume flex. And we got the ear speaker. It's buried in there. I swear I break so many ear speakers. It's like the thing that I always break the most. I think it's just because I get just in a speedy mode and try to get it out. And this looks like a proximity sensor that's left in here. So let's get that out. Yep, you got a proximity sensor. So that's out, and that is basically it on this one, unless you want to get these buttons out. And to do that, you just go under here and I believe just push out. Oh, no, they're, we'll take these screws out over here. They're holding this frame in, and then we'll be able to get to access the buttons. So that's what you would have to do for that portion if that's where you're going. I'm gonna stop right there because I don't need to go any further on this because I got the parts that I need. I am curious about this FLIR camera though. I don't know if it's supposed to disconnect like this or not. It makes sense and it doesn't at the same time. So if you guys know, let me know. Otherwise, I'm gonna try to pop this into a phone that I'm trying to fix and see if it actually works or not. But I wouldn't be surprised if it's not supposed to do that. Kind of makes sense. Both make sense to me, you know what I mean? So I'm just not sure. But let me know. Otherwise, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.